iPhone 17 Pro starts at 1,30,000 and Samsung S25 Edge starts at 1,04,000. Let's find out in the 60 seconds. Design and display. iPhone 17 Pro is sleek, premium design, 120Hz smooth display. Samsung S25 Edge, super thin, lightweight, big 6.7-inch screen. If you love a bigger and brighter display, winner, it's the Samsung. Let's discuss camera. iPhone 17 Pro has triple 48 megapixel rear camera, 24 megapixel front camera, excellent for video. But Samsung S25 Edge has 200 megapixel main camera, ultra wide, perfect for high resolution photos. Winner for photos is Samsung. But for videos, it's the iPhone. Let's discuss performance. iPhone 17 Pro has A19 Pro chip with iOS 26, which gives the user super smooth and fast experience. Samsung S25 Edge, it has Snapdragon 8 Elite, Android 15, which is very fast too. It has smoother software and longer updates. Let's discuss battery and charging. iPhone 17 Pro is decent battery and faster charging. Samsung S25 Edge has slightly smaller battery, 25 watt wired plus 15 watts wireless charging. So winner is, I would say, it's a tie. Both last full day, I guess. Well, deal breaker. If you want better videos and better software updates, then go for iPhone 17 Pro. If you want massive photos and a thin, bright phone, go for Samsung S25 Edge. Your choice depends on what matters to you. Follow for more tech updates. See you in the next one.